Travel for Mortals. We're hiking Mount Takatori. It's near Lake Miyagase, which is in Sagamihara, which is in Kanagawa. It's probably about 2 hours outside of Tokyo. It's right by the Miyagase Dam. I think it's Lake Sagami. But yeah, Miyagase Dam. It's about a 1 hour in, 1 hour out hike. We're trying to catch the fall foliage. We just finished it. It's pretty tough.
I'm beat.
Yeah, we're whooped. So easy to get to. There's parking right nearby at the museum. They have a dam and waterworks museum, a little restaurant. So definitely high on the list of things to do. You get to see the real Japan. Come check it out. Okay, here's the trailhead entrance. And this is where you can park. We did have to wait a little bit for parking, but you may want to come early. And then they have if you get slugs on you, they have this anti-slug kit in the box, so check yourself for slugs. Oh, we made a new friend.
Take a picture. Catch me on video falling.
Yeah. All right, Zama Mama, what do you think of Todoroki?
It's pretty, but it's difficult.
Do you recommend using those ropes?
Use the ropes, bring your hiking poles.
All right, we almost made it down. Man, for 1 hour in, 1 hour out, this is pretty brutal. It takes a lot of energy to go up, and then coming down is not as much energy, but a lot more technical. Definitely more treacherous.